you get when you mix dried herbs with paper and you leave it for months and months and months? You get compost, or else a herbal tea bag. Because the trouble with herbs is they lose their freshness much faster than ordinary tea. So if you want good, fresh herbal tea, you've got to get one of these little doovers, and you fill it with fresh herbs from the garden. You could try lemon balm or lemon verbena, which is one of the few herbal teas most males like. It's very good for indigestion and extremely soothing before you go to bed too. Or you could try a few fresh chamomile flowers for another nice soothing tea. Or true peppermint, not culinary mint because that just tastes like mint sauce. Or ginger mint for a lovely warming tea. Or apple mint. Or my favourite mint of all, which is lemon mint, and it makes a really great fresh tasting tea. Fill your little duvet with your favourite herb, or even a combination of herbs like lemon mint and chamomile, with maybe just a hint of lemon peel, or cinnamon bark, or even apple peel. Who needs stale tea bags? Pour in boiling water, and dunk your little duvet. Just like an ordinary tea bag, except they don't get the taste of old paper with these things. Leave it for 3 minutes. Jiggle it around a little bit. Then take it out. Much cheaper than ordinary tea bags. And a taste of fresh herbs and sunlight.
Oh, if you're wondering about the word duvet...
Little duvers.
Duvers.
Your little duvet.
It's 1930s slang for that'll do for now. Doofer. Duvet. Get it?